drill here. With the walkthrough for the line dance Pressure 305, it's a cute dance. This walkthrough is going to show you alternatives to the original choreography that has turns that can look real complicated if you're new to line dancing or just haven't done it in a long time. So this is a simpler way to do the turn and still be in the dance. All right? First move. It's going to be starting with the right, right, left, right, and turn. That's what you're doing. Right, left, right, and turn. Right, left, right, and turn. Right, left, right, and turn. You're going to repeat that move to all four walls again, going left, starting with the left. And every time you hit a new wall, you start with the same foot. So every time we went to the right, we started with the right. Every time we go to the left, we're going to start with the left. Left, right, left, and turn. 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 That should be easy. I think everybody should get that first pass. Let's add on to the next move. Next move, or part two, we're going to start with 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stomp on 7. Let me show you that again. Starting with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stomp. 7. You can walk it in. If the back and forth is a little bit confusing, then just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp for 7. All right? The key is move forward, stomp on 7. All right? We're going to do our last left around and then into that movement of the 7 counts. So we're going to go left 4 times and then we're going to do our 7 count. 5, 6, here we go. Left, 1, 2, left and turn. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp. That's your tempo. Okay? Now after you stomp, we're going to be moving to the back wall. So we're actually going to have a turn that takes us to the back wall. So let me show you what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do that again. Now I break it up. I break the count up because of the way it flows. So we are stomp, right, left, and you have to pick that left foot up. Stomp, 1, 2. Then I count again. 1, 2, 3. Because the 1, 2, and 3 go together. Now watch which way I'm facing the walls when I do this. Stomp. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So after I stomp, on my 1, 2, I'm facing the immediate wall to my right. Then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. So I kind of turn to the wall opposite and then turn back to the back wall. Now, alternative. Walk into it. Watch. I'm going to take the 7 count with the stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So instead of hitting the right wall here and the wall here, you just do your 1 to face the back wall, 2 faces you, and then walk your 3. 1, 2, 3. You pause for a hot second because everybody else is turning, and then we do the same thing from the back wall to the front wall. Let me give myself a little space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Or 7 count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, so these are the alternatives to the way it's actually done. Once you get here, 1, 2, 3, then you have the last part of the dance, which is out, out, roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, and roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the dance starts over. On the right, with the turn to the 4 walls. Back wall. Up wall. Then left foot. Left foot. Left foot. Left foot. Left foot. And count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then out and roll. 2, 3, 4 and up and roll. 2, 3, 4. Again, let me show you that alternative for the turn when we're moving front to back so that you don't have to hit the sidewalls. You can just do one. Well, let me do the alternative with the steps, okay? So this is straight alternative for anyone who thinks that the crossing right now is not where they are and the turning is not where they are. So if you just want to be straight in the dance with nothing complicated, after you do your last and turn, starting with your count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then out and roll. 2, 3, 4 and up and roll. 2, 3, 4. I hope you practice, because practice makes progress. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share this with other people who are interested in learning how to line dance. And I will post a demo of the dance to the music. Have a good time with it. See you soon. Thanks for watching.